pray for you all the time. If
Good day everyone, I am Marga Sillueño and I am from your host today and I am Jared Saremi Tubi and I am So today we're going to ask them how are we going to protect the atmosphere and kung paano natin ito mapapabuti.
Para maprotektahan ng atmosphere. Siguro, babawasan mo yung mga jeep, yung mga vehicle na nakakapaglabas ng uso kasi nakakasira to sa ating ozone layer. Yun lang.